Hello guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna give you 5 top products to sell today so that you can generate profit and start selling today. So let's get right into the first product. So the first product is the portable mirror makeup kit. This portable cosmetic box, you can add many cosmetics. The size is very perfect. It is easy to put in baggage, suitable for travel. The touching LED light makeup mirror, you can turn the light on and off. Surrounded by a halo, the mirror is bright enough for daily makeup. Just press the switch, turn it off. And this is in the beauty market, so it's also a proven seller on AliExpress with about 600 orders. And the cost to make this product is $12. The shipping is free, and you can sell it around for $25 and can make a profit of $13. The second product is the light bulb surveillance camera. The camera will follow the moving target and the alarm will set off, so it will be sent to your smartphone, so you don't need to worry about the safety of your home. This falls in the home security market. Our bulb camera can be viewed remotely from your iPhone device, Android device, or iPad. No more installation steps. Connect directly to the Wi-Fi and set up your camera via QR code, which is convenient and practical. This product has about 1,400 likes and 600 shares on Facebook, so it's a popular product and it is trendy. It costs about $20 to make. The shipping is free. You can sell it around $30, and that will leave you with a profit of $10. The third product is the fabric shaver lint remover. Organize old clothes and maintain new ones. Make your old ones more elegant and new. This works on different materials such as wool and silk. It's great to use. It's portable and you can travel with it anywhere. This is a proven seller on AliExpress, so I will sell it. It costs $6 to make. The shipping is free. You can sell it for about $16, and that will leave you with a profit of $10. The fourth product is the Big Jet Flame Fire Torch. Big firepower, high temperature flame. This is a lot more powerful for your needs. The fire can be adjusted at any time. It do have a safety mechanism. You can use this to make fire, for camping outdoors, to light a cigarette. There's a proven seller on AliExpress. It do have some orders, and you can sell it for to make good profit. You can buy it around $10. Shipping it is free. You can sell it for around $20, and the profit will be around $10. So it's approved to sell. The fifth product is this portable smoothie maker, 2-in-1 design. The lid had directly drinking function, so you can drink it like a normal water bottle directly through the mouth of the bottle cap, and you can enjoy fresh smoothies whenever you want. It do have upgraded blades and higher speeds and more battery capacity. This portable blender could easily liquefy anything, including small ice cubes, in no time. It's made out of safe materials and have multiple security protection. It is proven on AliExpress with about 6,000 orders. It is also trending on places like TikTok with over 100,000 views, 19,000 likes, and 300 comments. It costs $30. $30 to make. The shipping is free. You can sell it for $40, and that will leave you with a profit of $10. Thank you guys. That is it for the video. If you want more videos, make sure to like and subscribe, and to find more profit products to sell and to generate profit. Appreciate it. Thank you. See you to the next video.